how to add or change your YouTube channel URL, username, link on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to the YouTube Studio on your YouTube channel like this, and after you go to the YouTube Studio, now here on this page, all what you have to do is so simple. Just follow with me the steps. First thing you have to do is go to the customization option and click right here. As you can see, click on basic info and go down. This is the channel URL and I want to add a new channel URL. Click on add link and I'm sorry, not here, don't click here. Now all what you have to do is go here, and from here you will be able to change the channel URL, or you can add a customized YouTube URL. From here on more, and here as you can see, you will be able to change the channel URL if you can follow all the steps that YouTube says on this page. See you in the next video.